8 illegal factory muscle trucks nobody knew existed until now. Hidden beneath ordinary looks, a few machines push performance so far that they cross limits most manufacturers wouldn't dare approach. They weren't built to play safe or follow rules. They existed to deliver something raw and unexpected. At the time, very few people realized what these trucks were truly capable of. But once you see them in action, everything changes. 8. 1978 Dodge Lil Red Express. This machine somehow slipped through with a level of performance that didn't seem to belong on public roads at all. The 1978 Dodge Lil Red Express wasn't designed like a typical pickup of its time. Instead of focusing purely on work capability, it leaned heavily into performance, creating something that felt closer to a muscle car than a traditional truck. Its appearance hinted at something unusual, but its real story began once the engine came to life. Weighing around 3,900 pounds, the truck carried enough mass to stay stable. That balance allowed it to make the most of its power, delivering a surprisingly quick response for a vehicle built on a pickup platform. Under the hood sat a 5.9-liter V8 engine, producing around 225 horsepower and delivering approximately 295 pound-feet of torque. It could accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 7.5 seconds, which made it one of the quickest American vehicles available at the time. What makes it stand out is how freely it breathes compared to other vehicles from the same period. While many cars were restricted, this truck managed to deliver a more open and aggressive performance, making it feel less constrained and more alive. From behind the wheel, the experience feels energetic and direct. The power builds quickly, and the sound adds to the sense that this isn't just another work vehicle. Rather than focusing on refinement, it embraces a raw driving character. The response is immediate, and the overall behavior feels engaging in a way that keeps the driver involved. Its design reflects that same bold approach, with a distinctive look that sets it apart without needing to rely on excessive styling details. It wasn't built to quietly blend in with everyday traffic, and it certainly didn't behave like it either. There's a clear sense of purpose in how it moves, as if it was always meant to do more than what was expected from a pickup. And once you spend time with it, the impression it leaves isn't just about speed, but about how unexpectedly it delivered that performance in a way no one really saw coming. 7. 1979 Dodge Midnight Express. Dark styling alone wasn't enough to define this machine, because what truly set it apart was how confidently it carried both presence and performance in a time when most trucks were losing their edge. The 1979 Dodge Midnight Express followed a similar path to performance-focused pickups, but it added a more refined and controlled character. It wasn't just about being quick in a straight line. It was about delivering a complete experience that felt strong, stable, and visually striking. Weighing roughly 4,000 pounds, the Midnight Express maintained a planted and stable presence. That weight worked in its favor, especially at higher speeds, where it felt composed rather than unsettled. What becomes noticeable early on is how balanced it feels. The power doesn't overwhelm, instead it builds in a steady and controlled way, making the truck feel manageable while still offering enough strength to stay engaging. Under the hood, it came equipped with a 5.9-liter V8 engine, producing around 225 horsepower and delivering approximately 295 pound-feet of torque. 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 8 seconds. From behind the wheel, the experience feels smooth yet capable. The throttle response is predictable, and the overall driving behavior leans toward control rather than aggression. Instead of focusing purely on raw performance, this truck combined its power with a confident road presence. The design played a major role here, giving it a bold and distinctive appearance that stood out without needing to be overly complex. It didn't try to act like a lightweight performance machine, and that honesty is what gave it character. The way it delivers power feels consistent, creating a sense of confidence that builds as you continue driving. There's no sudden unpredictability, just a steady flow of performance that fits its personality. Spend enough time behind the wheel, and it leaves a different kind of impression, not overwhelming, not dramatic, but steady, controlled, and confident in a way that quietly earns respect rather than demanding it. These trucks were never meant to stay within limits. 6. 1968 Ford Ranchero. Brute force arrives without warning here, and the moment the throttle is pressed, it becomes obvious that this machine was built with far more intention than its calm appearance suggests. The 1968 Ford Ranchero, equipped with the 428 Cobra Jet, blurred the line between muscle car and pickup in a way that felt almost unfair for its time. It didn't just offer utility, it delivered performance that could rival some of the most serious cars on the road. Under the hood sat a 7-liter V8 engine, producing around 335 horsepower and delivering approximately 440 pound-feet of torque, giving it immense pulling power. It could accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 5.8 seconds, which placed it firmly among the faster machines of its era. What stands out isn't just the numbers, but how that power is delivered. There's no hesitation, no gradual build, just a strong and immediate push that defines the entire driving experience. Weighing around 3,600 pounds, the Ranchero maintained a balanced feel between stability and responsiveness. That weight allowed it to stay planted while still reacting quickly when pushed harder. From behind the wheel, the experience feels direct and demanding. Every input is met with a clear response, making the driver feel fully connected to what the vehicle is doing. Instead of focusing on comfort, this machine leans heavily into performance. The suspension and overall setup reflect that intention, creating a driving character that feels aggressive and purposeful. The design supports that same identity, with bold lines and a strong stance that hint at its capability without needing unnecessary detail. It doesn't try to soften its behavior, and that rawness is exactly what makes it appealing to enthusiasts. There's a sense of urgency in how it moves, a feeling that it's always ready to deliver more the moment it's asked. Push it harder, and the response only becomes more intense, reinforcing the idea that this wasn't built to behave like an ordinary pickup. What it ultimately delivers is an experience that feels fast, forceful, and completely committed to performance in a way that leaves no room for compromise. 5. GMC Syclone. The 1991 GMC Syclone completely redefined what a pickup could be, stepping far beyond traditional expectations and entering territory usually reserved for high-performance sports cars. It wasn't built to carry heavy loads or focus on utility. It was engineered to be fast, direct, and surprisingly aggressive. Under the hood sat a turbocharged 4.3-liter V6 engine, producing around 280 horsepower and delivering approximately 350 pound-feet of torque. It could accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.3 seconds, making it quicker than many performance cars of its time. What makes it truly stand out is how sudden the acceleration feels. There's no long build-up, the power hits hard, pushing the truck forward with an intensity that feels unexpected for something shaped like a pickup. Weighing around 3,600 pounds, the truck maintained a relatively light structure for its class, which played a major role in how effectively it could use its power. That balance between weight and output made it feel incredibly responsive. From behind the wheel, the experience feels controlled, yet explosive. The all-wheel drive system helps keep everything in check, allowing the driver to use that power without losing stability. Instead of following the traditional pickup formula, this machine focused entirely on performance. Every aspect of it reflects that decision, from its tuning to its behavior on the road. The design doesn't try to exaggerate its capability, which makes its performance even more surprising. It looks simple, but it moves with serious intent. There's a constant sense of readiness in how it behaves, as if it's always waiting for the next opportunity to accelerate. The moment you experience it properly, the surprise isn't just how fast it is, but how effortlessly it delivers that speed in a way that completely changes your expectations. What looks normal here hides something extreme underneath. 4. 1970 GMC Sprint SP400. Unexpected strength defines this machine, and the moment it begins to accelerate, it becomes clear that it offers far more than its clean and simple appearance suggests. The 1970 GMC Sprint SP400 followed a familiar car-based pickup concept, but it pushed deeper into performance territory by combining everyday usability with serious V8 power. It wasn't built to stand out loudly, yet it carried the kind of capability that made it feel far more impressive once driven. Weighing around 3,800 pounds, the vehicle maintained a solid and planted presence on the road. That weight helped it stay stable under acceleration, giving it a controlled and confident feel even when pushed harder. What makes it interesting is how naturally it delivers its performance. There's no sudden aggression. Instead, the power builds steadily, creating a smooth yet forceful driving experience that feels easy to manage. Under the hood sat a 6.6-liter V8 engine, producing around 330 horsepower and delivering approximately 410 pound-feet of torque, giving it strong output. It could accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 6.8 seconds, which made it surprisingly quick for a vehicle in its category. From behind the wheel, the experience feels balanced and engaging. The throttle response is clear, and the power continues to build as you stay on it, creating a steady sense of acceleration rather than a sharp burst. Instead of focusing entirely on performance, this machine maintains a level of usability that makes it practical in everyday situations. That balance between power and control gives it a unique character. The design reflects that same approach, with a clean and confident look that doesn't rely on aggressive styling to make an impression. It doesn't try to overwhelm the driver, and that controlled nature is what makes it approachable while still being capable. There's a smooth rhythm to how it moves, a feeling that everything is working together without unnecessary drama. As you spend more time with it, the appeal comes from how naturally it blends strength with control, delivering a driving experience that feels steady, capable, and quietly satisfying in a way that doesn't rely on extremes. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and drop your thoughts in the comments. 3. GMC Typhoon. Compact in size but carrying serious intent, this machine delivered performance that few people expected from something that looked this practical. The 1993 GMC Typhoon didn't follow the traditional path of utility-focused vehicles. Instead, it was engineered to be fast, responsive, and capable of delivering acceleration that could challenge much more aggressive machines. It wasn't built for heavy-duty work. It was built to move quickly and efficiently. Under the hood sat a turbocharged 4.3-liter V6 engine, producing around 280 horsepower and delivering approximately 350 pound-feet of torque, giving it strong output. It could accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 5.3 seconds, which made it impressively quick for its time. What makes it stand out immediately is how smooth yet forceful the acceleration feels. The power doesn't come in harshly, instead it builds and then pushes forward with a strong and controlled surge. Weighing around 3,800 pounds, the vehicle maintained a balanced feel that allowed it to stay stable under acceleration. That weight, combined with its all-wheel drive system, helped it deliver power more effectively to the road. From behind the wheel, the experience feels composed and engaging. The throttle response is quick, and the overall behavior remains controlled even when pushed harder. Instead of feeling unpredictable, it creates a sense of confidence that allows the driver to explore its performance without hesitation. The design doesn't try to exaggerate what it can do, which makes its performance even more surprising when experienced. It looks practical, yet it moves with a level of speed that doesn't match expectations at first glance. There's a consistent flow to how it accelerates, creating a rhythm that feels smooth rather than aggressive. Push it further, and it continues to respond without feeling unstable, maintaining control while delivering strong performance. After spending time with it, the most noticeable thing isn't just how fast it is, but how easily it combines that speed with control, creating a driving experience that feels both capable and unexpectedly refined. Some machines were built to break rules, not follow them. 2. Shelby Dakota V8. Unexpected combinations rarely work this well, and from the moment this machine begins to move, it becomes clear that it was built with a very different idea in mind. The 1989 Shelby Dakota V8 took a compact pickup platform and infused it with performance in a way that felt unusual for its time. It wasn't meant to replace traditional muscle cars, but it certainly borrowed enough of their character to create something that felt far more exciting than a standard truck. Under the hood sat a 5.2-liter V8 engine, producing around 175 horsepower and delivering approximately 270 pound-feet of torque, giving it a noticeable performance boost over typical compact pickups. It could accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 8.5 seconds, which made it feel lively for its size and category. What makes it interesting is how the power is delivered. It doesn't rush aggressively, instead it builds in a steady way, giving the driver a sense of control while still offering enough strength to stay engaging. Weighing around 3,200 pounds, the Dakota maintained a relatively light feel, which helped improve responsiveness and overall drivability. That balance allowed it to feel more agile than larger trucks. From behind the wheel, the experience feels direct and easy to manage. The throttle response is predictable, and the truck reacts in a way that feels natural rather than overwhelming. Instead of focusing purely on raw performance, this machine blends usability with a touch of muscle. It's not extreme, but it's enough to make a noticeable difference in how it behaves. The design reflects that same idea, with a clean and confident look that hints at its capability without being overly aggressive. It doesn't try to act like something it's not, and that honesty is part of its appeal. There's a sense of balance in how it performs, allowing it to fit comfortably into both daily driving and more spirited use. Spend time with it, and what stands out is how well it fits into its role, offering just enough performance to make every drive feel a little more interesting without ever becoming difficult to handle. 1. 1971 Chevrolet El Camino SS LS 6454. Serious power defines this machine from the very first moment, and once it begins to move, there's no confusion about what it was built to deliver. The 1971 Chevrolet El Camino SSLS 6454 took the idea of a car-based pickup and pushed it to an extreme level. It wasn't just about combining utility with style, it was about injecting full muscle car performance into a platform that most people wouldn't expect to behave this aggressively. Under the hood sat a massive 7.4-liter V8 engine, producing around 425 horsepower and delivering approximately 475 pound-feet of torque, giving it overwhelming strength. It could accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 5.5 seconds, which made it incredibly quick for a vehicle that also offered practicality. What stands out immediately is how forcefully it responds. The power doesn't ease in, it arrives with authority, pushing the vehicle forward in a way that demands attention from the driver. Weighing roughly 3,900 pounds, the El Camino maintained a solid and planted feel. That weight worked alongside the engine's output, helping it stay stable while delivering strong acceleration. From behind the wheel, the experience feels intense and direct. Every press of the throttle results in a clear and powerful response, creating a sense of connection between driver and machine. Instead of focusing on comfort or refinement, this vehicle leans heavily into performance. The suspension, the power delivery, and the overall behavior all reflect that intention. The design supports that same identity, with a long and confident stance that makes it look as strong as it feels. It doesn't try to soften its nature, and that rawness is exactly what gives it character. There's a constant sense of strength in how it moves, as if it's always holding more power in reserve. Push it further, and it continues to respond with the same level of intensity, reinforcing its purpose. Once you experience it properly, the takeaway isn't just how powerful it is, but how unapologetically it delivers that performance without ever trying to hold anything back. Not every powerful machine was meant to stay within the rules, and these prove exactly why. Now, I want to hear from you. Which one would you actually drive? Drop your answer in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. More crazy builds are coming soon.